Hello everybody, welcome back to Banta Music. We're going to learn how to play the bagpipe scale. So the first note that we're going to start with is low G, and that means covering all of the holes on the chanter, including the one on the back. So you can see all the holes on the front, these are all covered. So this is low G. And then we're going to start going up. We're going to go up to low A, and that is simply raising the right pinky. Everything else is the same. We're going to go up to B now, which is raising the next finger up, and again, everything stays the same. Now here is where the sequence is actually interrupted. We're going to raise the middle right finger, but we're going to put the right pinky down, okay? Be very mindful of this, as doing this for C is tentatively considered false fingering. So please make sure that you're putting your pinky down for C. And then next is D. We're going to simply raise the right index finger. And here is where you're going to go from D to E, but because this has a few extra finger transitions in it, we're going to address it a little bit more carefully here. So the first thing we want to know is, because we're tentatively playing D right here, there's a few things we need to do to move up to E. So we need to bring these three fingers down and then bring up the pinky, but also bring up the left ring finger. So it may seem like quite a bit, but once you get used to it, it's actually not that much. So let's do that one more time, and then we'll play E. So we're fingering D. We're going to bring these three fingers, 1, 2, 3. We're going to bring them down, bring up the pinky on the right hand, and then bring up the left ring finger. This is E. Now we're going to bring up the left middle finger so that only the thumb and the right index, or the left index finger, are on the chanter, on the top of the chanter. Then we're going to bring up the left index finger and just have the thumb on the left hand. But when you do this, don't do this. Bring your three fingers down so there may be like a ½ inch or something from the chanter, about like this. Doing this simply is not practical, and it is better if you do this, especially when you go to learn how to play faster tunes, where this is honestly going to be impractical. So this is high G. Now we're going to play the last note on the scale, which is high A. We're going to take our thumb off, but we're going to bring down our left ring finger onto the third hole from the top, so that we're just like this. So let's start going down. So we're like this. We're going to place our thumb back on the hole on the back, and then bring up this finger so that just the thumb is on the left hand. Then we're going to bring down our left index finger for F. And then we're going to bring down our left middle finger for E. Then we're going to bring down our left ring finger, bring up the three fingers below that finger, bring down our right pinky for D. Then we're going to bring down our right index finger for C. Remember, the pinky does not go up, it stays down. Now we're going to bring up our right pinky, put down our right middle finger for B. Now we're going to bring down our right ring finger for low A. And we're going to finish off the scale by bringing all of our fingers down, which would only, in this case, be the pinky finger. But my point is, make sure all of the holes on the chanter are covered for low G. Okay, So when you're playing when you're playing the notes like C and D and high G and high A, do yourself a favor and don't play it like this. This is simply impractical. Bring your finger maybe up to 3/4 to an inch off of the chanter. If you feel a little bit of a stretch, that's probably fine if you're not used to playing a chanter. But do it about this much. Honestly, it's not that much, and this will help you later on when you learn how to play quicker tunes. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it beneficial and helpful, please forward it to your friends if you think that they will benefit from it as well. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you in the next one.